let's start with the new thing today. See, the question is interesting. It is given that we have to find the number of digits in the square root of the given number and without any calculations, without doing the calculations. क्या ढूंढना है वो अच्छे से सुनो. Find the number of digits of the square root of a given number. मतलब जो नंबर्स दिया है उसका हम स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो वो कितने डिजिट का नंबर आएगा, कौन सा नंबर आएगा वो नहीं है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट विच नंबर, दैट इज व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर, वो नहीं ढूंढना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट के व्हेन वी डू द स्क्वायर रूट दैट द डिजिट्स विच द नंबर विच कम हैज हाउ मेनी डिजिट. So here you can see that I have taken a number 64. When we do the square root of 64, we will get 8. So what is the answer? That is one digit when we do the square root of a number which has a 2 digit. Okay, एक और example लेते हैं. Let's take one more number, that is 100. This was the 2 digit number and when we do the square root we will get the answer in 1 digit. This is the 3 digit number. Now we also know that what is the square root of 100? That is 10. जब हमने 2 डिजिट का स्क्वायर रूट किया तो हमारा जो आंसर आया दैट है 1 डिजिट. When we have done the square root of a digit 3 तो हमारा आंसर आया 2 डिजिट. एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं to understand this. I'll take one number 9. What is the square root of 9? I'll get 3. जब हम स्क्वायर रूट करते हैं नंबर विच हैज 1 डिजिट, उसके स्क्वायर रूट में आंसर आएगा 1 डिजिट. कौन सा आंसर नहीं, कितने डिजिट्स आ रहे हैं, सो 1 डिजिट. एंड व्हेन वी डू द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ अ नंबर विच हैज अ 2 डिजिट, आंसर कम्स 1 डिजिट. बट व्हेन वी डू द स्क्वायर रूट विच हैज अ 3 डिजिट, द आंसर कम्स 2 डिजिट. एक और 3 डिजिट का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. आई विल टेक वन एग्जांपल 225. सो व्हेन वी डू द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225, सो आंसर कम्स 15, मतलब 15, 2 डिजिट. तो यहां से इतना क्लियर हुआ कि हम 1 डिजिट का स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 1 डिजिट. 2 डिजिट का स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो आएगा 1 डिजिट. 3 डिजिट का स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो आएगा 1 डिजिट. और 4 डिजिट का एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. लेट्स टेक वन नंबर विच हैज अ 4 डिजिट. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल दैट इज 1600. तो हम जब इसका स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे सो स्टूडेंट्स वी नो दैट इट कम्स 4040. तो हियर विल कम टू द कंक्लूजन कि अगर डिजिट्स इवन नंबर्स हो 2 4 तो हम उसका आधा कर देंगे, दैट इज 1 2. दोबारा एक बार, इफ इट इज एन इवन डिजिट, द गिवन नंबर एज इवन डिजिट नंबर, तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स डिवाइड बाय 2. अगर 2 डिजिट का एक क्वेश्चन है, 2 डिजिट का, तो उसके स्क्वायर रूट में कितने डिजिट आएंगे, तो 2/2 1. और अगर 4 डिजिट का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो उसके स्क्वायर रूट में कितने डिजिट आएंगे, तो 2. सो दिस इज वी डिस्कस अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इन अ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ इफ इट इज ए इवन डिजिट. अगर कोई और डिजिट है तो सो नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स एग्जिस्ट इन अ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ऑड डिजिट नंबर. अगर कोई और डिजिट नंबर हो, जैसा यहां पे हमने लिखा है 1 3, तो हम क्या करेंगे कि जितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स है वो और उसमें एक ऐड करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे. अगर 1 डिजिट नंबर है तो उसमें एक ऐड करेंगे, सो 2/2 इट कम्स 1. अगर 3 डिजिट नंबर है सो 3 + 1 डिवाइड बाय 2, तो आंसर आएगा 2. अगर 5 डिजिट नंबर है, इफ इट इज अ 5 डिजिट नंबर, सो 5 + 1/2, सो 6/2, सो दैट इज 3. So students, this is what the question we are going to do today. We are going to understand today. Let us do this question number 2 of exercise 6.4 based on the previous what we have discussed. It is said that we have to find the number of digits in the square root of the given number without any calculation. So here the first is 64 and so on. So here I'll make a column to understand. This is the question. We have to find out that how many digits come in the square root of the given number. So let's first write down the number of digits of the given question. So there are 2 digits. So as it is an even, so we discussed that how to do it, even then divide by 2. So that comes 1. अगर कोई इवन नंबर है तो we'll divide by 2. Then the answer will come because even number is divisible by 2. So we can say that when we do the square root of this number, we will get 1 digit as an answer. इसका square root 8 है. You can see here there are 3 digits. The question has 3 digits. So now it is an odd. This is an even number. Now this is an odd number. So what we have just discussed, whenever the odd number is there, we should add 1 and then we have to divide by 2. So 4 by 2, so it comes 2. That means when we do the square root, the answer will come as a 2 digit. So we know the square root of 144 is 12. As it is 4, so 4 is an even number. So even it's directly divided by 2. So the square root of this must have the 2 digit number. There are 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits. So 5 digit is an odd number. So whenever the odd, we should add 1 to that number and divide by 2. 6 by 2, so we can say that when we do the square root of this, that digit must have 3 digits, that number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even number. So the answer is 6 divided by 2. So that comes 3. So here it is quite clear from the sums which I have done here. If it is even number digits, so should be divided by 2. And if it is odd digit number, we should add 1, make it even and then divide by 2. Hence, it is done. Students, let us start with the new question. Here we have to find out the square root of the given. We have to find out the square root of the given decimal numbers. So here 2.25. See, it is the same that which we have done the question number 1. हमें decimal numbers दिया है. This is the difference. But remember, whenever the questions come in the decimal, these are the more chances that questions will come into the exams. मगर whenever the questions come, remember that must be the decimal digits are in even numbers. मगर decimal के बाद जितने भी digits होंगे वो हमेशा even digits होंगे. 2 digits, 4 digits, 6 digits. You never obtain 1 digit after the decimal or 3 digit or 5 digit. So that you have to remember. जब भी हमें square root वाले sums ढूंढना है, where the decimal numbers are there, so after the decimal there are always even digits number. यहाँ पे 2 digits है, even. 4 digits हो सकते हैं, even. Odd digits नहीं होंगे, 1, 3, 5 ऐसा नहीं होगा. Again the method would be the same. हम right hand side से will make a pair. So it is 25 and it is 2. So now as it is 2 here, so we know that we can go by 1 1za or 2 2za 4. As 2 2za become 4, we'll go for 1 1za. So 1 1za 1. We know that 2 minus 1, that is 1. Let's add here 1. So it is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now remember, you are carrying the numbers which are after the decimal. So you have to put the decimal here. जब भी आप ऊपर से नंबर कैरी करो जो डेसिमल के बाद हो, that times you have to put the decimal there. Now it is 25. As the unit digit is 5, we know that when we do the square of any number, where comes 5, so square of 5 comes 25. So as it is 2, 2 should be written here. So 25 into 5, it's 125. So 25 into 5, it's 125. So here it should be 0 plus 5. So that comes 30. You must see that this is 30 and this is 15. Fine. So this is how the sum has to be done. And you must realize these are the same kind of sums which we have done by the division method. Let's see a few more questions. Let us do this. The question is 51.84. So you can see that here again we have the 2 digit after the decimal. Decimal के पहले कितने भी digits हो सकते हैं. We are not bothered. But after the decimal should be the digits in even number. So let's again make a pair. ये 2 का pair, ये 2 का pair. Now we have to go for 51. So when we do the square of a certain number which comes 51 or less than that, 7 sevens are 49. Correct. Because 8 8s are 64, which is greater. So we go for 7 sevens are 49. When we subtract 49 from 51, it comes to, let me add 7 here, 7 plus 7, that is 14. Now we are carrying the numbers which are after the decimal. So as we discussed, we have to put the decimal digit here. Now the number is 284, the unit digit is 4. Now the square of this number, 2 2s are and 8 8s are, where we obtain 4 as a unit digit. 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are 64. Fine. So now as it is 14, so let's write down 14 here and 14 here. 142 2s are, so that is 2 2s are 4 and 284. So here we got the answer 284. So there is no need to go for this. 142 2s are, so that is 284. As we obtain 0, we should add 2 here, so it is 144. This number must be double of this. हमें जो डबल करना है उसमें डेसिमल नहीं समझना है. 72 into plus 2 plus 72 is 144. So here this sum has to be done.